Hey guys, so I was in the middle of cutting some fruit, but I had to stop and share these Priority Chef mixing bowls with you because they have become a huge staple in my kitchen. I am in absolute love. Check them out. So they don't come with one, they don't come with two, but you actually are gonna get 5 different size bowls. And they actually come with lids. So that is definitely really helpful, definitely a game changer. They're made of a really good quality stainless steel, really built to last. The stainless steel is thicker than most. I've had other bowls in the past, not as thick, not as durable like these, but they are still really lightweight, so really functional for your kitchen. And check this out. As you can see, they have this silicone non-slip bottom. So it really does help to keep the bowl in place so it doesn't move when you're stirring. And let's look at this up close. It actually has measurement, so you do not have to measure in a separate bowl. You can measure and cut up and do everything in the same bowl. So that is really helpful. They are super simple to store. As you can see, they can be nested all on top of each other. So you don't have bowls all over the place. Everything in one place. Go ahead and stick it in the cabinet. I also appreciate the fact that the lids go on nice and easily, and they are so tight, so snug. I can turn this bowl upside down and it's not going anywhere. Stick it right into the refrigerator. Makes life so much simpler. The bowls are dishwasher safe, so that also makes life easier. However, the lids are not dishwasher safe. Just go ahead and wash those in warm water, dry them off, easy peasy. At this point, I honestly don't know what I would do without these bowls. I'm using them for everything, meal prep, you name it. Go ahead and get you some Priority Chef bowls.